paborito dyan. Makuha tag pang breakfast. Champurado. Duha ka sampurado akong kuhaon. Two sampurado. Then, good. So, flavor ano goto. But I don't like. Goto. Goto. Supa ta goto dyan. Santino. Sa ilalong gapuan. Gayon. So, corn. Dua ka corn. Because that's easy to cook. Just, magbutang rakag ko na. Arroz caldo. Arroz caldo. Chicken, favorite chicken. Chicken arroz caldo. So, chicken sa tangon. Gusto ko rin ito. Chicken sa tangon. That's it, mine. Ayaw pa ba I don't like vegetables because I like that now without vegetables.
Let's go back over here now.
I have still magic syrup. I don't know. Wait lang, I'm thinking if I have magic syrup. I have a balit. I think I need add. I have still magic syrup. Abang sa pamanang ko Dili sa kunat ko na the red egg kay I have allergy.
Oh, mushrooms?
For adobo?
Taxi!
Hello, madam. Nag-grocery na po me.
Look at you!
Ha?
Look at him!
Nag...
You can see the picture!
Asa na ba yung yung mushroom na not dalong mushroom. That is more mushroom.
Chop them up.
Ha? That's long mushroom. Oh, that's different mushroom. That's different mushroom. Pero this is okay for adobo.
Chop them up. Look. Chop them up. Slice it.
Slice. I know. I don't need to slice. I cook. If I cook for people, no need to slice.
Okay.
Oh yeah, of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
I know.
Taxi! What happened?
Jack them up.
Masarap yan, tita. Pero masasarap yung sa
Pero parang siya parang Batangas.
Ask her how many you need to get like 78 eggs. They got the brown eggs there. I'd rather eat brown eggs than white.
You need a brown egg and white. How many brown eggs? 60
60.
pesos. Ayun, di ba?
How much for 60 brown eggs?
Magkano daw ito, madam? Yung 160 of
That's not egg. That's balut.
balut?
Oh my god. I'm not gonna eat 60 balut.
I'm not eat
That
balut.
balut over there?
Yeah, that's balut.
Balot pala to, yeah. Pero di ako kumakain ng balut.
I thought she had brown eggs. I was about to get happy.
Do you want to eat balot?
Huh?
Do you want to eat balot?
No. You can eat it.
No, I'm not eat balot since long before.
Good try. You had it before? You like it?
I don't
Mga
like
bulat na na, Joy. Oh, dati.
It's kind of tough.
Dami lang bulat ko. Di pa kumakain. Kaya ako'y allergic.
Crack it.
Allergic sa daliri. Tawa. Pachik ka pa.
Open.
Allergic ko. Ako kabalo. Pero pachik
Go
ako
to the
kami.
doctor.
Shrimp?
Shrimp.
You're allergic to shrimp?
Hindi pa namin alam kung saan ako allergic. We don't know pa nga. Kasi we are
I
not
think it's shrimp.
up. Diba?
Went to the doctor when people were-
Ilang mga ano nila tayo. Masasarap pa naman yung mga tuyo
Why you
nila.
gotta have Filipino blood?
so she can speak to him.
Ah.
She won't understand American doctor. Filipino doctor.
Ano? Ay, may coffee.
I think I know a little bit. No, need your milk? Hey, milk?
Santino, kaya init to drink milk. But you don't want to drink milk.
What about your coffee?
Coffee na, coffee. Milk na lang daw. Okay. That's it. This one lang han.
Mommy, no, not that one.
What? What? Milo or what you want? Milo? You want?
Yeah.
No, meron siguro sang shashi. I think they have shashi. I think they have shashi han.
Oh, you mean in the...
I know, pouch. Ask mama if they have pouch.
Alright, go ask her.
Ano si madam? Madam, meron kayong pouch na Bear Brand?
What?
Pouch na Bear Brand. Milo pala, Milo.
Wala.
Ah, wala. So, yung salat?
Lang.
So, sakan.
So you don't have to.
Oh, that one na lang, that
The
one.
small one.
One scoop.
Oh, that's all.
Yeah, the small one.
Okay, I can drink that.
Yeah.
Okay, this one.
Or you want a big one?
What? Which one?
Small, we're moving to the condo next week.
Which one? Small or big?
Get small right now.
If you need a mover,
Oh,
if you need a mover, my son.
Oh, right there?
Yeah. He does do moving.
We're buying all new furniture.
So if you have any, like you
Yeah.
need to move, you can ask
Furniture
him.
What ba?
That's what they do with on the side.
I need ba? Coffee. Thank you. Ano ba? I we have also Nescafe 3 in 1.
Yeah, he's not going to put that phone so just a little while ago.
There's creamy latte.
He's embracing his
This
phone.
one creamy latte.
That's what you want?
But it's a lot. It's okay.
How did you like the Ilocos empanada?
Masarap,
Oh, she
yummy.
loved it. It took her like 3 or 4 days to eat it.
Yeah, do that. You do the air
Marami,
fry.
pag marami akong pagkain, hindi ko alam kung anong unahin ko.
Oh my God. You don't have to worry about it. You don't gain
I
weight.
told her she her tummy would bulk out that far and then 26
Takot ako kumain, di baka bumaba ako.
Gain weight. Oh my God. I think you gain your butt, but not
Butt,
not
butt, oh.
anything else.
I watch her gain weight. She eats all day.
That's not gain weight.
Ay, I'm not it every morning. Ano ba? What is this? Chorizo de Cebu.
You want chorizo?
De Cebu. Chorizo de Cebu. Wala, de Cebu. Ibig sabihin, ano to? Galing sa Cebu. Chorizo from Cebu. Ito yung pinadala sa vlogger na ano rin, nakaasawa ng foreigner. Chorizo de Cebu. Ito yun na. Try this one daw. For breakfast.
Tocino.
Oo. For breakfast. Ano yung pag how to cook that? Just boil
Put it in water.
boil
You
first.
cook it just like your
Oo nga, just
longanisa.
okay. Boil first until get fried, then just oil. Palm oil. Do not put oil. They have on oil after to boil.
You put water in it.
Yeah, water first.
It's
Just for
sugar. I
breakfast,
can't
oh.
eat it.
Chorizo de
I can't
Cebu.
eat it.
Ito yung napanood ko sa ano.
Listen, I can't eat it.
You heard it?
No, I'm not
No,
going
su-
to. Sugar.
I know, with sugar.
Yeah, no, it
Oh.
has sugar in it.
Uh-oh. They have Filipino pork sausage.
Whatever.
Hindi. Hindi, if we want to eat Filipino sausage, just read first if they have sugar or... Look at...
Yeah,
check mo na.
longanisa, I got
Check
it.
if they have sugar or no.
Probably does. Sugar,
Sa mga
8
kape,
grams.
Filipino coffee.
You want this too? I can't eat it. It's 8 grams.
Wait, there's no sugar?
There's 8 grams of sugar.
Ano, this one lang oh.
That has 6 grams of sugar.
Filipino pork
You
sausage.
can eat it.
No, this one lang.
Here, get. All right, whatever.
What is this?
I don't know, dude.
Parang
It's
tuna?
like fish.
Fish? Tuna? I don't know.
You gotta get
Oh, fish na. I have one tilapia. One piece of tilapia. Tuna. Ano yun? Fried? Fried?
Where do you want to go? Backwards?
Come on, kami. Leslie. Santino, you need a mugo-mugo or sito?
Yeah.
Tito.
Sito? I mean, a yellow one, red? Yellow and red? Yellow and red.
Daddy, play again.
Not daddy.
Here.
Okay, Dad. I I have still magic sarap lang.
I don't know.
Ay, wait lang. Parang
Where's your phone? I'll come back when you're done.
Sarap. I think I add magic sarap.
Well, go get it there. We're right here.
What? Ay. Ma-add siguro kung magic sarap. Ayan, magic sarap. Meron ako doon, si shrimp para ilagay ko yun para sa tabi. Santino, do you want he need a jelly?
Yeah, he needs jelly.
Jelly? Where each?
I'll grab it.
Okay. Okay pa siya.
Mommy, I see a key.
Ha, okay? Oh, daddy can do it. Yun na,
Daddy. Daddy.
yun na, do you want bugo-bugo Santino or just sito? You need bugo-bugo or just sito?
Ask her what happened to the monkey jelly.
Ask mo na if you want a bugo-bugo or just
You want any monkey jelly?
Achara, sinabi achara. May mga ginamo sila, bagoong, ayan. Kung bagoong, pero may allergic ko ako, may pagkakatawa. So, ayan. Ating ba masatawan mga rice achi what is this? Vanilla para saan ito? Ilan ko ang gusto kong kumain ito sa lata lang, kainin lang siya. Meron din sa sa bottle, kapuso, langka, jackfruit. Kainin ko lang siya kung gusto ko siya, kainin lang. Jackfruit. Sweet purple yan. Sweetened red beans. Sweetened red beans. Sweetened red beans. Pa akong bihon. Meron pa akong ganito. Ito yung Korean. Ito siya. Magiging potatoes. Meron pa ako nito eh. China pala, not Korean. Para ko China. Ito yung pag pansit. Rice sticks. Yun ang pansit. I'm here! Pansit. I don't know, ask mo kasi.
Do you want condensed milk?
Condensed milk, I don't know, bago. I have sa lakakano. I don't know. I just want to.
What?
Pansit. Yeah, pansit. Ang sarap ng pansit. Ang pansit. I eat this in the cake, but pansit, natin pansit. That's it, I need.
That's
Pag-pieces
it?
nyo siguro, ayas ko ng mga pieces nyo kay the last kasi is
That's all you need?
that's it.
It has the monkey ones.
We're going parang to BJ's.
Yeah, both.
So that's
You gotta get gas and you gotta get the meat.
so ito yung mga bibili natin. So mga itong napalit. Ito yung giling sa tino. Ang dami ha. Wow, jelly.
It's sour.
Oh,
It's
masarap
sour.
yung yellow color kay
It's
flavor
sour.
mango. Sour?
Yeah.
Sour. Oh, you have money ah. You got money.
Well, you need something.
Yeah, that's okay. We're going para
What about
BG's.
fish?
BG's or Walmart. I had still enough. Tuna. I don't know the tuna. The color pink is tuna, no?
Yeah, well, it could be
How to-
salmon.
How to, salmon, di ba rin?
Yeah.
How to, just fried?
I bake it. Put it in the oven.
Ah, babe.
Yeah, with butter and lemon. Butter and lemon.
I like the big one. The big one.
One egg.
Okay, Kinder Joy. I have still ice cream though. Yung mga ice cream nila. I have still halo-halo. It's happy leather. I eat the halo-halo. I have still
It'll be hot saturday.
Yeah, I will eat my ice cream na day of that. Mga mahangang na noodles. Newcastle.
What?
Newcastle.
That's your son.
Oh nga, I just saw lang today. That's different.
That's your other son. What she just told me.
Ah. How many battery?
I have no
Wow.
clue.
Come
You gotta play the game with me. You want some quarters? Quarters?
So, Milo, meron din. Sorry sa desibo. Pansit, naluto na. Ay, that on that. Santino, your phone. Your phone, Santino. Nag-filter
No, that's it.
You get... What you got? What is that? Bunny? Ah, cute. Cute bunny. Oh, let me touch. Let me touch it. So. Oh,
Does he
so.
need any chips?
Ay, he need Doritos. Doritos you want?
Yeah.
You have still Piatos. Go grocery, mabuhay. Yan, mabuhay, Asian market. So yan, pupunta naman kami ng Beijing's. Let's go, Beijing's and Walmart. Tapos na kami mag-grocery sa Asian store. So pupunta naman kami sa Beijing's and after Walmart.
That's about it. And another edge guy, so
What do we do today ba? Step 4.
the way you answered is directly. I got plenty of time to add to the new spot. Even if they reach the way, they'll still be reaching. Sure. I guess that's
Now, we're at BG's. So, BG's na punta. Kasi nagpakarga kayo katulog man. O ni ang buwan, rag-isan or BG's lang dari pangalan. Water jacket, lamig ba? Tugno ba? Sa sulod, sa BG's. TV, gawain. Ang isa natulog, oh. Gosh. Si Bluey Santino. Ayan o, si Bluey. Nasa top. Tingnan mo si Bluey na. Kayo na, Bluey. Tingnan si Bluey. Tingnan si See the Louie sleeping. Boots for the beach. Boots for the beach. So, bibili si Michael ng ano niya, maker coffee. Ayan. Coffee. Maker coffee. Tapos guys, bibili siya araw-araw. Ang taas na ang kuan. Price.
Small Keurig.
Small one, the small one.
What is this here? 100.
Maker coffee.
This is a double.
Double.
Yeah, $100.
$100. Oh, that's single one. Single.
So you can make it in a pot or you can make it single.
Ito kay couple. This one couple.
Well, that's a cappuccino machine.
Cappuccino. Cappuccino, that's Santino's favorite movie. Cappuccino. What?
I'll go to Walmart.
So sa Walmart na siya, bibili namin coffee maker. So dito bibili tayo ng eggs, then ground beef. But if longganisa, sa Walmart ang longganisa. Mga fruits na. Yes, like tired. I don't need strawberry. Sour. Sour. Nana kay balot, di siya balot big yan ang strawberry.
That's a good price.
Sour.
That's,
Cheap one.
yeah, that's real cheap.
But sour, right?
I don't know if it's sour or strawberry.
Sour, hun?
How do I know I don't eat it?
That's why I don't... Not for now.
Onion?
I don't know. I have still onions.
Okay.
I have garlic, the powder garlic there. No need. Just banana.
Carrot?
No need.
Give one.
Banana. That looks good. You think this looks good?
Yeah, that's good. It's a little green, it'll ripe up over time.
The Santino's favorite bingo yung ano, diretso. I don't need grapes for now. Just this one, mango.
Mango?
This is masarap mango. Santino, your favorite? Alright.
Shrimp?
Yeah, kaya I don't have. For my sotanghon in the cup sotanghon. I have sotanghon 2 pesos cup. Diyos ko rin. I'm not bring my jacket. But it's okay. Mga cow milk to. Right? This is cow milk. This is cow milk. Yung mga init sa microwave. Mga egg. Oh, mini egg. Oh, 3 2 Santino. Egg. Hindi kami mag-grocery ng marami kasi every week naman kami mag-grocery. Kaya hindi kami nag-grocery ng marami. Dito naman ay ito yung mga nila milk, thick and fluffy original. Mga less like ito daw ito parang waffle style. You have still more butter, right? Yep, got plenty of butter.
Bacon.
Yeah, I like. Satiro, like, he likes bacon. This one? Oh, the two pack of bacon. There you go. Oh, there you go. We got bacon, but that's masarap. So, delicious bacon. That's delicious bacon. Ito yung mga ano, burger pa. Uh-oh! It's Michael's ground beef. Chicken, oh. I want chicken. So, I want chicken. Mga ground, mga beef. This way is beef. Oh, beef. Ground beef. Mga fresh na fresh. Yeah, you get now. Beef.
You already got
I have,
the hand.
yeah, half. I have baboy to cook for dinner. Then I have still half of beef, the sliced beef. I chopped beef pala, it called it chopped beef. I have still tilapia. Sleep ang baby boy. Sleeping ang baby boy. Yeah, that I miss. Card. You have still nuggets sa Tino, no? Or a little. We add more nuggets or what? You have the nuggets? Or oh, this one, right? Oh, this is palit.
Salmon, dear.
Salmon. This is masarap.
Yeah, but it's most expensive.
Oh, no.
Crazy.
This is the big one. That's expensive. That's salmon. Ano ba, salmon? I never eat that. Salmon. Okay. Mga longganisa. Jumbo beef meatballs. Stallion sauce. Mga meatballs di ari. Yung mga hotdog. Mga hotdog ang tagkas. Tagkas kayo. Ang apple. Dato of ribs. Expensive man di ari good kay is an armor. Or siya is an ar. Also Manila. Ang tawag lang di ari silang kuan veggies. So, do you want burger, oh? Burger. Beef. Ay, brown beef pala you got. We add nuggets or not? Yeah, about the nuggets natin, no? Oo nga. Shrimp scampi. Cook already? I already cook? I think they already cooked for my cup. Yep. We got shrimp. Yeah. For tanghon. What you need pa? What we need? You have still pizza bites there.
We'll be moving next weekend.
Yay! Next weekend, we're moving to the condo. This weekend.
Just enough to eat this week, and then next
Yep.
Thursday we'll go grocery shopping. And
Every week talaga siya. Mga Doritos na lang. Sa Tino's like the big. This is big.
we don't get
The small
the
one.
box.
Oh nga, the box.
You'll just ruin this shit.
You're right. The small lang kaya he cannot eat all. She likes American snack.
Yeah.
Doritos seem like Nova. No, Filipino Nova. What is that? Ay, napkin, yes. But the small one. Yung without wings. This without wings,
There's no
yes. There's no
wings.
wings, yes.
I don't know what
That's I like.
size they are.
I like the big one.
Yeah, is that big? I don't.
What?
I don't know.
Wait.
Here.
At least the blood cannot, not the one box. This one, it's okay. Daily liners. Eyeliners. Daily liners. Liners.
I don't know. This is liners. That's
Liners.
what it looks like right there.
Oo nga, parang it's not like for blood. It's like that's for,
Very light, long blood.
so pang blood nga siya. This one I like. The sun kasi is not for blood, just for, you know what I mean.
No, I don't. I don't work past it.
Hindi, the sun pads is not for blood. The
Again,
sun.
you think I'm a woman. I'm
Yeah,
not a
so
woman.
I just want you to know the not all pads is not is for blood. The small one is for yung something white come out in your private. For the color white blood ba? For white blood the small. The small. Just my sister always use it. Even no blood for private part. No, potatoes. Potatoes? I mean Doritos. Ang mga box, naka-boxes na teacher dyan. Naka-boxes. Hala, Doritos sa Tino's favorite.
That one or
That's
the
Doritos only, not the mixer, because you like Doritos.
other? It's all big. We got Cheetos. We can go to Walmart and get a small box.
Okay.
All right.
Alright, because you like Doritos, not really. Cheese, not really. Like. You can eat sometime cheese. Pretty flowers, but Chalpas dead. Chalpas, nga. Chalpas,
Not on the plant, in the ground.
mas I like the fake. Because they are not the died. Sounds check out. So, for now, sa BG's, ito muna yung mga bili muna natin. Dito tayo bibili ng marami kasi lilipat kami next year sa condo. So, bibili kami sa Walmart. Ang cashier mo is sleeping. Your cashier is sleeping. Nagka-on ba yung cellphone? Turn up yung phone mo na. Turn up your phone. Tayo maglubat. Next week, we're moving to the condo Santino. Next is Tino. Are you excited to go to the swimming pool? To get the swimming pool? Si Michael ang cashier today. Si Michael ang cashier today. So, natay ulang para sa upuan. Tatangon. Shrimp. Upuan siya. The what? Large or shell. Si Michael ang cashier. Ay, nakalagay. Kailangan natin ng box para sa ating na bili. Carton. Box.
Tagalog, yeah.
Ha? Do you have someone speak Tagalog?
Yes, that's the
Okay. Hey, there's a Filipino here. And this is the boxes for our dessert. Boxes! Mga box. Ayan. Let's go! That one. Hello! Ayos lang.
Just Tagalog or Tagalog?
Tagalog, Ilocano. I can understand Visayan.
Oo.
Kenya,
Wow.
Ilongga. Yeah. Pampangueña.
Sa kap... May... San?
Saka sa Pampanga. Sa may Olongga po.
Your ex is from Tarlac.
Yeah, para.
His ex
Oh, stop it. Bye.
is remember tuloy. Up. Oh my God! So she is from Kapampangan, Tarlac. Ay, Kapampangan is Pampanga. Pampanga. Just she tell me lang the language what she know. I mean, she nakahikot pa pala ako. So ngayon tapos na. So napupunta natin sa Walmart para ilagay na ni Sir Mike sa loob ng truck. So pasok na tayo. So ngayon tapos na. So napupunta natin sa Walmart para ilagay na ni Sir Mike sa loob ng truck. So pasok na tayo. Kayo Jay, uy, gahak. Init siya, batong na kaayo. Jay, ang wen. Santino, seatbelt. So seatbelt mo tayo. So ayan, papunta na kami sa Walmart na. So yung tagatingin ng receipt sa labas is she is Filipino. She speak Tagalog, Iloilo. Ano ba yun? Kapampangan. More Filipino here. Okay, see you later. Thank you, Katiki. Thailand girl. Thank you, Katiki. Thank you, Kanoy. Guys, so dito na tayo sa Walmart. Sa labas ng Walmart. So, mag-parking muna tayo. Parking muna si Sir Mike. So, yung baby boy namin, oh. So, baba na tayo. Let's go.
Wear your jacket.
Yeah, I'm wearing it. I'll check my jacket kay Bokon. Bakit na ako, so let's go. Uy, sobrang lamig ko eh. Naka-jacket yung ko jacket. Tugno ka ayo. Kaligings. Kaligings. So, yun. Nakasakay na naman ang isa sa kuan. Alright. Papasok na tayo sa nakasakay sa Santino. Pasok tayo sa Walmart. Walmart naman tayo. So, andito na tayo sa Walmart. So, first is for your nose or for betadine, I think. Ah, okay. I did not forget. So, I need my betadine for my finger. Dye. Okay. Para sa ating allergy. For BC. For headache. Are you okay? You're tired, no? Meron siyang pang ano siya, helps prevent infection. You're right, infection. My,
Is this the
yeah.
name of a maker?
Yeah, this is in my finger care. That's infection, so this is right. So
Correct.
and kills
Betadine
germs
is the
and
name of the company that makes one brand of it.
yeah, and
A
kills
plate is
germs
another
and
brand.
minor. Cuts, scripts and burns. You're right. That's
I
right.
know, it's the same thing.
I just read. Need ko talaga mag-gloves every wash. The big gloves Need gloves, big.
What about your 50 gloves?
I can use it naman the small, it's okay. Not for now the big.
Already on the 50 gloves?
Yeah, I'm used it. But the water can get inside. But it's okay. Here I have just wash it slowly. Make our coffee. Yeah, this different. Make our coffee. Ichi may bochi. Bochi, ichi may bochi. Ayan, pang coffee. Symbol. Ayan, bumili siya ng maker coffee.
What's this?
Coffee maker.
Coffee maker para.
Mama, do you have?
Daddy use it. Coffee maker.
How about the rug?
We gotta wait to get in there. I'm
Next,
not buying it. I have nowhere to stick the rug right now.
Not right now, so Tino,
Till
next
next Thursday.
next week pa na. Next week. Mga CBO, 85 plus. Yeah, 65. Like my 85 inches. Big, that's big, so big. Ayun, dito naman siya. Mga dresses for kids. Doon kayo. Ang gaganda ng mga dress for kids. Ang gusto ko yung mga ano dito, mga groceries kay mga good kayo silang mga kuon. Ating mga stock, mga tinda. Ang maganda dito sa grocery nila is ano, easy lang. Merong easy lang lutuin. Initin lang sa microwave or lagyan mo lang ng hot water. So, ang daming masasarap. Oh, Doritos. Your Doritos ang tinulok. Antino, your Doritos. 1 box. Wow. Yung mga Gatorade, different color. Yogurt, that's it. Oh, we want the Yakult. For kids, Santino. Yeah, Santino, look! Look!
Strawberry? Same one.
Same thing, Tino. Ah, you want
You
to...
don't need it, baby.
You need more. I spoiled.
Get two small one, make one big one.
Yakult. Now we got a Yakult. And then, for Daddy next, Longganesa. I got Longganesa already. The chorizo de Cebu. Ayan. Mga juices. Mga juices. Okay. I give you a jacket in the morning, but you don't take it. I give my jacket. I no need. He's always tired because he's always playing every day, whole day. This one right here is mga cheese. This one kay mga snack. So tissue. Oh, no more cold now.
You can clean them with that. You can wash with that.
Oh,
You can wash with this.
wow. No, so no need the. Never know. Gloves ako. This is my gloves. Like, anti-allergic.
What?
Each.
I want that one. I want the top, that one.
This one?
That's the last one.
Ask me again.
This one, it's okay.
Whatever.
What's that?
Gloves.
This gloves.
Gloves.
What's what?
But,
What's the?
parang,
Help clean the dish.
helps to clean the dishes. Only one lang naman to use, this one. Right, this one lang. I think, I'm not used to clean, I think. This one lang, Daddy? Okay, that's it. I think looks heavy, I think.
This one. I'm gonna try.
I'm not used to clean. This one lang I have to use to clean.
Put it back.
Will you get it?
I don't need this.
No.
It's already break. That's it lang. Put na lang ito. No, it's heavy na. And I'm not used it to clean.
How about this one?
Only my left hand lang to clean. So, to wash. Also, those are
It's not. It's good. It's good.
only one lang I use it.
I want this one. I want this one.
One only lang. I use it. What Daddy trying to find? Four plates.
Take it up down there too. I don't know if you want it.
Alright. Oh. Oo nga, kayo, you have gloves and a lot in the kitchen. That's enough. Only one lang I'm using. My right hands. So, what you need, Daddy? Longganisa. Jai, Daddy. Yeah, that's you. Okay. So, bibili tayo ng coffee para siya nang gagawa sa ano niya, coffee maker. This is mga sandwich and coffee. We have ang lagayan ng coffee kay donuts. Different flavor. Oh. I will watch you when you make. Mga sandwich nila. What it? How's the Coffee Bustelo?
Cafe Bustelo.
Coffee Bustelo. Espanyol.
Espresso.
Espanyol. Espanyol ni.
Espresso.
Espresso Espanyol na. We're done. So, what next? Next is for your breakfast. That's the hot flavor pork, ground pork ground pork. Yan yung mga pang-breakfast kayo for breakfast. What is that? That's
Same
different.
thing.
Same thing. That's different color. The
One half a day. 1 day, 2 day. 1 day, 2 day.
half nga half.
Half a day, 1 day. All I need.
Tudi nga.
What else?
You don't know the one?
No.
Alright.
What else?
You have already bacon or that's my
I
bacon?
already got bacon.
Okay. Oh, that's it.
What else?
So I have corn.
Nuggets. We got beef.
I want to eat broccoli, but but
Broccoli's up here.
they get bad loss because I'm not checking the refrigerator. Just one lang.
We get frozen.
I don't like frozen kay I don't like kay very small slice.
What are you gonna do for me?
The frozen one han kay very small slice. I like big slice. Just one lang. I will cook later when we get home. Just one. I cook with the butter. I like kasi the broccoli and the rock has Texas to hot cooked. Cooking hot cook. Cooking hot cook. Call it. Meron na yung mga prutas na binalatan na. Avocado. I have already this avocado with condensed on that Tupperware, so I don't need next week na ako mag-avocado again. Just one, the big one. Tapos nadasira yung anak ko. Yung una kong binili dyan, nasira dyan, so bibili tayo ng malaki. Yung isa lang, malaki. So lulutuin ko to. Lulutuin ko mamaya. I cook this later. One only. I think for later. No, only one. Where are we going? Is that real? Happy, that's not real. Just passion only. Passion. For passion only. What you said, Santino? What na?
In the bag.
Oh, wow. Toys, ah. Mga nice panty. Yeah, mga pretty panty. Pretty panty. Mga clothes in yan. Clothes.
Nope.
Bili na naman ng toys sa spoiled boy.
Those toys should stop when you get the permit. I'm not gonna have any money.
Hala. You need to have umrong Santino for your toys.
Not new house.
Yeah. That TV right there.
That's it.
24 inch.
Ah, do you have 24 inch though?
That TV right there. On that TV, look at that TV. Okay, look at
24 inch
Oh
TV.
yeah, on that new house.
Smart, ako nga, smart TV. Same in Pinas.
Go to the new house.
Smart TV.
You understand no more toys when we move to the new house.
Okay, you got a lot of toys. Oh. Hindi, I'm playing the toy. Spoiled na naman siya. Pabili na naman. Ang daming bluey. Oh, stocking. Stocking.
Give me
Wait, okay. Alright. Maganda yung mga toys dito kasi hindi mabaho. Ang mga toys kasi sa Pinas, yung iba mabaho. Smell guma. Here tayo, no smell. Yeah, hindi masakit sa ilong.
Put it back in.
What you need? No. Huh? Slide?
Well, what?
Slide.
A
in
slide.
a table. No, it's slime.
Slime?
Yeah,
Slime? Not now, Nanas.
in a daddy room.
On daddy's room? Jackery room?
No, that's at Nana's. You gotta wait till we get into the condo.
On the condo, Santino. Not at Nana house. Not at Nana.
Pino. Yeah.
Yes, Santino, we have to wait. So magadubo ako mamaya. Magluto rin ako ng broccoli. Iluto ko sa butter. Kasi hindi ko ng broccoli. Magadubo ako. Talo ko pork. Pero hindi ko lagyan ng potato or egg kasi meron. Hindi naman. Iwasan ako sa if What are you trying to find out? Santino ba? I ask him.
Yep, that's one.
This is Wednesday hands. Scary. Broken. Mga Barbie, oh. Oh, pretty Barbie. Pretty Barbie, Santino. Si Wick Kerwin. Siya, manya. Alam ko yun eh. Yung singer sa Barbie.
No, there's too many pieces. That is a game. That is a board game. Not a toy.
looks sleepy, his eyes.
You want to get on this aisle? This aisle or no?
Mm-hmm.
His pants are on backwards.
Oh, you put backwards. You put that. Backwards. You put backwards your pants, Santino.
Stop.
Stop.
Okay.
That is too expensive.
It's too expensive dati na.
There's a bluey at the bottom. One below it.
Hey, hey.
Right there. No, one below it. Below.
This one?
What is this?
Lego, son.
I didn't know how to build this.
You don't know how to build?
Then put it back. I'm ready to go. I'm tired. I worked
Let's
all
go,
day.
Santino.
I gotta walk up
Hey,
and
Daddy,
down
need
some
dress.
play aisles where the kids is bad all the time. Why?
What is one?
That's what you want.
No choice. Are you sure? No choice na siya. Okay. Santino, be.
Not on the broccoli. Not on the broccoli.
Not sa broccoli, be. Okay. Be.
That's yours.
Alright.
What's the room for? How do I know? One side.
Mga babae. Teddy bear, big teddy bear.
Just like that. The big thing. That's what it is.
Oh.
It's just like this.
Mga candy. Ah, oo. Cashier ka. Serious. Cashier yourself
Over there
again.
and bag it. Please put your phone
Okay.
down.